Hello friends, I hope so you all must be happy, healthy and safe at home. So in today's video we are going to learn about a very important topic of TYBCom, that is financial market, and our main focus in the video is structure of money market. So first we will understand what is the meaning of a financial market. So as we know very well कि whenever we want to buy goods and services, that time we can go to the common market. So market is a place where buyer and seller come together, buying and selling goods and services. So in a market we can get our day-to-day life goods easily. But financial instruments such as shares, bond, equity, debenture, treasury bill, etc. not available in a common market. So the place where buying and selling of financial instrument take place, that is called financial market. In short, financial market is an arrangement where buying and selling of financial instrument take place. Now, financial market divided into two categories. First is money market, second is capital market. So, our main focus, that is structure of money market. So, first we'll understand what is the meaning of money market. So, money market means a market where borrowing and lending of short-term fund take place. A market where borrowing and lending of short-term fund take place, that is called money market. And money market deal with all funds and financial institute. The transaction can be on a large, but the maturity period of a transaction is less than a year. It can be 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, but less than a year. And whatever instrument we use in a money market, all the instruments are highly liquid. Liquid means instrument can easily convert into cash without losing our time and money. Now what type of instrument we use in a money market? So in money market we use instruments such as call money, treasury bill, commercial paper, then commercial deposit, repo money, liquidity adjustment facility, MSF, etc. Friends, about instrument of a money market video I will make after this video, so in that you can understand in detail. Today our main focus is the structure of money market. So in short, money market is a market where borrowing and lending of short-term fund take place. That is, the maturity period of fund is less than a year. Next is money market categorized into two parts. First is organized sector and second is unorganized sector. Okay, organized sector means the sector which is regulated by RBI. In organized sector, the rules and regulation are same for all the participant or players, where unorganized sector is not regulated by RBI and rules and regulation are differ from one participant to other participant. Now, who are the players or participant of organized sector? So, number one participant of organized sector is RBI. RBI means Reserve Bank of India. So, RBI regulate money market and it always ensure that there should be liquidity in a money market and it always maintain rate of interest. Second, it also play the role of a merchant banker to the government. It means it give advice to the government where to invest, how to invest, all. Next, it also underwrite the issues of the government. It means RBI buy and sell government security as per the requirement. Second important player of a organized sector is government. Government is the second biggest borrower in the money market, and government borrow money whenever expenditure is greater than revenue. It means to meet budget deficit, government borrow money in a money market. Third important player is bank. As we know very well, bank also take place lending and borrowing of a short-term firm. And bank is playing very predominant and important role in a market. Bank can be impact on interest rate structure as well as liquidity position. So it is a third important player of a money market. Fourth is financial institute. Financial institutes means such as RBI, commercial bank, discount and finance, House of India, promissory note, etc. And financial institute always transact in a large value or in a large volume, but the maturity period is less than a year. Next is business corporate. As we know very well, firm also raise short-term fund to meet their working capital requirement. फ्रेंड्स, वर्किंग कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट का मतलब होता है कि सपोज एक फर्म है, उसने अपने कस्टमर को क्या बोलते हैं, क्रेडिट पे माल दिया है, तो वो कस्टमर 30 दिन के बाद सपोज उसको पैसा देगा, और अभी दूसरे कस्टमर ने एक माल की डिमांड की है, तो वो माल बनाने के लिए उसको पैसे चाहिए, तो वो फर्म क्या करेगा, शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए फंड रेज करेगा मनी मार्केट से। सेम हमें ये पता है कि व्हेनेवर फर्म मेक गुड्स बनाने से लेके उसको मार्केट में बिकने तक का प्रोसेस बड़ा होता है। तो अगर समझो कि फर्म ने गुड्स बनाने के लिए पैसे इन्वेस्ट किए, तो जब वो मार्केट में बिकेगी तब उसके हाथ में पैसे आएंगे, तब तक उसको अपना दूसरा प्रोडक्शन कंटिन्यू रखना है, तो उसके लिए वो क्या करेगा, इट विल टेक अ हेल्प ऑफ मनी मार्केट। सो बिजनेस कॉर्पोरेट ऑलवेज रेज शॉर्ट टर्म फंड फ्रॉम अ मनी मार्केट टू रन देयर कैपिटल वर्किंग रिक्वायरमेंट। नेक्स्ट, बिजनेस कॉर्पोरेट यूज बोथ द sector of a money market, organized as well as unorganized. Next is non-bank financial intermediaries. These are mutual fund and foreign institutional investor. What they used to do, they accept deposit from the people, and whatever deposit done by people, that money they are going to invest in a various economic activities. But foreign institutional investors are restricted to invest in a government securities. Next is Discount Finance, House of India. They work as a intermediary. It means that they maintain liquidity in the money market as well as they open secondary market for an instrument. Secondary market means when we sell the financial instrument in the market which are already bought by someone else. So Discount Finance and Housing India, what they used to do, they maintain liquidity in the market, plus they maintain secondary market for those instruments which is already bought by someone else. It was accredited as a primary dealer in a Feb 1996 by RBI. Next is primary dealer. Primary dealer concept introduced in 1995 by RBI. What they used to do, so primary dealer also work as an active सेकेंडरी मार्केट फॉर अ गवर्नमेंट सिक्योरिटी। सेकेंडरी मार्केट का मतलब होता है कि जो हमने इंस्ट्रूमेंट ऑलरेडी एक बार खरीद लिए, जब उनको सेकेंड टाइम हम बेचते या खरीदते हैं तो उसको बोलते हैं सेकेंडरी मार्केट। सो प्राइमरी डीलर व्हाट दे यूज टू डू, दे बाइंग एंड सेल गवर्नमेंट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन अ सेकेंडरी मार्केट। नेक्स्ट इज now who are the player and participant of unorganized sector. So number one is the indigenous bankers. Indigenous banker, they are operate as a bank. They accept deposit from a people, they gives loan as well as they deals in a hundis. Hundis का मतलब होता है when they are giving loan on a basis of some written paper or like written information. Suppose कि if a firm is giving loan to the customer, so that time they will get a signature, one letter and like this. So indigenous bankers are not bank but they work as a bank, and sometime whenever deposit is not there, that time they use their own fund to giving loan. And indigenous banker is a mostly confined with some caste such as Kathwas, Charab, Shroff, Settis, etc. And indigenous banker charging very high rate of interest. They charge from 18% to 36% when they giving loan to the people. Next is money lender. It is very famous name in a village. So money lender, they are very predominant and famous in a villages, and they are giving loan for any reason, whether the reason is a productive or unproductive. Unproductive means suppose if person required loan for a marriage purpose, for a perform any ceremony and all, and for any other reason. So money lender giving loan for any unproductive purpose. Why money lenders are very famous in a village? The reason is that the operation is very flexible, informal and easy. It means the customer or the person don't have to submit any document, they don't want to go through any paper procedure and all. They can easily get a money from the money lender, but the rate of interest charged by money lender is very high. Next is unregulated non-banking financial intermediaries. So number one is a cheat fund. Cheat fund is a one type of saving institute where all the member they collect money and create a fund, and afterward that fund is given to the member who is already decided by the group. And this type of cheat fund are very famous in Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, etc. Next is Nidhis. Nidhis is also one type of group collection fund where the fund is collected and that fund is keeping as a deposit, and that fund is giving as a loan to the member at a very less rate of interest for any unproductive purpose, like for construction of a house, repair of a house, etc. And Nidhis are very famous in southern India. Next is loan companies. Loan companies are a finance company and they also perform as a bank but not a bank. So they accept deposit, they giving loan, and sometimes they use their own fund. And they mostly focus and they mostly targeted on a traders, small industries, self-employed person and all. But the loan companies, they are charging very high rate of interest. They are charging 36% to 48%. Next is financial broker. So financial broker we can find in all major urban markets such as grain market, cloth market, commodity market. As we know, brokers are available in all type of market, and brokers are working as a middleman between borrower and lender. So broker, they will get their profit when they will bring borrower for the lender. So lender will give them profit and borrower will also give them profit when they will help borrower to meet any lender. So in short, broker is a one type of agent we can say. So those who create a link between borrower and lender. So friend, these are the major players of a money market, and this is the structure of a money market. And exam point of view, this is a very important question which used to come in an exam. Friends, if you will listen this video again and again, I am sure definitely your all the doubts regarding money market structure will get clear. So please like, share and subscribe my channel if you like it, and share to all your friends, students, your colleagues, your relatives, your family members, and tell them to subscribe. Thank you so much. This is my link, and if you want to see all the videos, then just write Neetu Saad Nimbak. You will get all the videos from 11 to till M.Com. I hope so my videos are helping to make your study clear. Be happy, healthy and safe. Stay at home. Thank you so much. God bless you. And watch my video till the end.